Welcome to the Apigee Edge UI overview. By now, you're probably eager to start playing around with the platform, so as part of this module, we'll be walking you through the Apigee Edge UI. In particular, we'll show you how to properly navigate the interface and use it for development, publishing, and analyzing your APIs. We'll also be covering some administrative capabilities, but we'll save that for the end. So here it is, our Apigee Edge UI. This is our new interface, which we developed to simplify the API management lifecycle, and we think you'll love it. Now, if you used Apigee in the past, this may look a little different from what you remember, but I assure you it will start to feel very familiar very soon. What you're seeing now is the home page. When you log in to Apigee Edge, this will be the very first thing you see. If, for whatever reason, you prefer the previous version of the UI, simply click on the Switch to Classic button located on the lower left-hand corner, and you'll be taken back to the older version of the UI. I must warn you that the UI is still as orange as you remember. On the home page, you'll immediately notice a series of shortcuts to the commonly used functionality, such as API specs, API proxies, and portal. The next thing to point out is the new sidebar navigation. This will allow you to easily navigate through the UI, and the menu here is organized by the phases of an API lifecycle. Note that the shortcuts on the home page can also be found here. Now let's take a quick look at the different categories in the navigation bar. Under the Develop menu, you will find the capabilities needed to build modern, scalable APIs for mobile apps and the web. From here, you can manage your specification, create an API proxy, and manage share flows, just to name a few. If you're an API engineer, chances are you'll be spending most of your time here. Next is the Publish menu. From here, you can navigate to corresponding pages for details on developers and apps using your APIs, the management of your API products, and portals you use to deliver content. Be sure to try the new simplified and robust portal content development tools located under this menu. Under the Analyze menu, you'll find a comprehensive list of tools to help you observe API performance, diagnose problems, generate reports, and much more. We recommend you spend some time familiarizing yourself with all the capabilities here, as it will give you some much needed insight into how your APIs are performing. Now we move to the admin side of things. From here, you can manage the roles of your API engineers, your environments, and who has access to your organization. Note that depending on your role, you may not have the proper rights to adjust some of these settings. So if you do need a certain amount of access, be sure to reach out to whoever is the admin for your organization. Apigee has many avenues to help you with your API journey. Should you have a question regarding anything from best practices, development, or even a particular error that you're seeing, be sure to navigate to the Learn menu, where you'll find useful links to our community docs and support pages. I especially want to call out our community, as it has a lot of great content provided by both Apigee as well as our customers. If you have a technical question or you're facing a roadblock, chances are that someone has already experienced the same thing, and there will most likely be a community post about it. Finally, we want to hear from you. Do you love the UI, or do you completely hate it? Is there a part of the UI that you think can be optimized or changed for the better? The feedback menu will allow you to submit your thoughts directly to us, so that we can gather them for future iterations of our product. We definitely want to hear from you, so don't be shy about sharing your thoughts.